The topic of today's video is how to click urgent delivery on Shein. So here we are on Shein and we need to get something into our cart. So let's just pick something random here. Let's say this jersey, and then we're going to say add to cart. And now if you're not, it's going to prompt you to sign in. And then we want to go to checkout over here. And in checkout, this is what we want. You'll see here I have standard shipping, which is free, or 150 Rand, which is a few dollars. Then on the right, you'll see here is express shipping. That is what you want to click on to get that fast delivery. However, it will cost you a lot more and it's not dramatically faster. The normal one is 10 to 15 business days. Express shipping is 7 to 11 days. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.